Good morning to the Klingo community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Oluwayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer and one of the many voices of TBC around the world. This morning, I'll be talking on self-examination. I'm addressing the Klingo community and as many who are watching this broadcast, self-examination. There is a quotation ascribed to Michael Leboff. It says, discipline is the foundation upon which all success is built. Lack of discipline inevitably leads to failure. Are you even trying to achieve success? For once, let's ponder on how many of our past failures are due not to the fault of others but to our own impetuosity. It is easier to blame circumstances for our failures so that we can preserve our self-esteem. But this is not the way of wisdom. If truly, if we truly want to make our dreams come true, then we must develop the courage to look ourselves in the face and tell the painful truth. When the fight begins with a man, he is worth something. Are you ready for self-examination? Especially to the criminal community, the TBC admin gave us the needed culture for us to achieve our dreams. Culture. Part of it is discipline. Can you make a list of some of your setbacks, some of your problems? Could you have done better if you had really tried? I mean, really putting all your best into it. Wouldn't you have been more successful if you had done some real thinking in the process? Do you acknowledge that things would have been different if your attitude has been different? Let's be frank with ourselves. Isn't it a fact that had we know more about ourselves, know better how to use our God-given potentials and endowment? Admin has always been saying this all along, that in inhibit in every one of us is that built by the Creator. How many times have you harnessed and assessed it? Learn the act of self-management and apply all of this. Our lives will have been different. Destiny is not a matter of chance. It's a matter of choice. Don't wait for it. Just go for it. Guys, for the past 6 years, TBC has been giving away Kringles, TBCs for completing one task or other. But guys, guess what? As from next month, the reward is being narrowed down only to the county member. Very, very tight now for anyone to acquire TBC. It was said last year, and lo and behold, a mega promo was released, 1,000 TBC coins for simple payment of our program fee. How many take up this opportunity? How many people key into this opportunity? Discipline. And it was a time of festivity, merrymaking. A lot of people cannot deny themselves and pay their program fee to acquire the 1,000 TBC coins. It is gone and it's gone forever. Guys, destiny is not a matter of chance. Success is not a matter of chance. It's a matter of choice. Don't wait for it. Go for it. All our excuses may look real and sufficient to justify our failures, but thousands of men and women all around the world who suffered same or even worse limitations have battled their way through to a happier, richer, and more successful modes in life. It is not the opportunities that we get that count, but those that we make. Will you make some today? Opportunities are abound. Opportunities are gone, and some are on the way. Guys, a lot of people miss the opportunity to acquire the 1,000 TBC coins just for paying billionaire program fee of 8 grains. Majority of us that pay for the annual program fee paid it to acquire some thousands of coins. But you can imagine the magnanimity of the TBC admin releasing and bringing out a mega promo of 1,000 coins for just monthly payment. But how many people keen to this opportunity? Guys, there is still a lot of opportunity that are abound. It depends on how disciplined you can discipline yourself. So guys, for as many who are here to purchase the Farm War coin, go and do so now. The pre-sale will end in few days time. And for as many who are here to buy the K-Love coin, go ahead and do that. As from March, we'll be making our program fee payments with our K-Love token. And guess what? The price cannot be the same as today. So guys, do all within your best. Have a self-examination today of what is hindering you of success. Go for it. Go all out to achieve the success. It is well with you. Thank you very much. I wish you a wonderful and a pleasant Friday. Don't forget, if you're here to subscribe to this channel, click on that bell by your right hand side. Subscribe to it, share, and don't forget, give a thumb up to this video. Thank you. Love you all. Cheers.